Hello, my name is Lorenzo Davis, and today I want to talk about an escape from justice as we know exists in the formalities of constructions. I want to talk about imagery and products of imagination. I want to talk about, in some, brief imaginations. Brief imaginations are the conflictions of justice that word itself in the pauses of the delimitations of man and the conflictions in which he grows. He evolves to the evolution of the discovery of himself, to the knowledge of forsaking no justice, to deny itself and the limited causes of its spirit, to deny any truth to the letter of its law, to the denial of any fact and the conclusions of what's based, and the conflictions of any reality that discerns, and no reality judges, and no realities of itself, and the conflictions of any knowledge that pertains to the realities of jurisprudence, logic itself, and the knowledge of justice itself, and the knowledge of truth itself, and the knowing of wisdom, and the knowing of how it becomes to be birthed in the fruition of the truth of what knowledge became first, and the knowledge of historical prunings, and the realities of what knows itself to be gone and before begone, and the reality that knows itself to limit no realities of exchanges and the commonalities of men and women who pertain to the facts of the decrees of justice and the degrees of limitation. There is only one basis of rational reality, rational reasoning, rational excuse, and justification that limits and defines as blame, and the courage that commits virtues, and the noticeable goals of vices, telos, and the pathos of Aristotle, and the pursuit of the goals as possible conclusions of demonstrations, and the demonstrations of what convincingly, courageously adjusts the truth of the fact of the matter to conflict and an exception to excuse no imagination not yet arrived to be possible, and the moments not yet heard to be felt, and the knowledge of what it is to mean in the mens rea of the mind of essentialism, and the studies of how we grow to the pursuit of how we chase our dreams to matter most in the cases of what peace is, and the delivery of how we United Nations and the discovery of the united reality cannot conflict the states to be under the disguise of the administrative guilt of no reality that can form the remedies of its changes.